Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
Please try and remember what you can. Please try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why? It has to turn out this way. Well, it's quite a simple explanation. Oh no, there's no time. Time left for me to explain. Well, I guess I could give you a hint. When's the last time you tried to remember a thing? Yes, the world might have forgotten a few things, but that's okay. I didn't need to remember it anyway. We should try to remember before we can't, 'cause I'm not even sure how the song began. Please try and remember what you can. Please try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why? Is time going away? Well, it's quite a simple explanation. Well, now there's really no time. Time left for me to explain. This is why you should learn to remember before you can't. We should try to remember before we can't. Yeah, so the world might be ending, but we should make sure to remember before we can. We should try to remember before we can't.
We are now in Morrow Bay. We left Slow, but I think we're still in Slow County.
I think we are in Slow County. And unfortunately, the weather out here is
I got Scout Coffee, and it's so nice out.
like it was in Magic Mountain, isn't it?
What?
About the same weather now as in Magic Mountain? No.
Feels so good.
No, it feels really good.
It's like probably 68 or maybe 72.
It's not 70. It's definitely in the 60s.
High 60s.
And it feels absolutely amazing.
Look at this cool raft.
Mom likes this town as much as she likes Ludington.
Someone I just said I could get a Ludington vibe, but like it's better. But let's see how much a house goes for here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this is beautiful.
Look at that. There's real estate. I wonder if they have prices on there.
Oh, like in, yeah. I bet they do. Would you want to live here?
Not really.
Oh, why not?
I don't know.
No, just give me a good reason. I mean, you're absolutely valid in your opinion. If I got to choose between here and Arlington Heights, I think I would still choose Arlington Heights, as great as this area is. My reasoning is we're too close to everything. Rock. Why the hell are these dumb memes on their realty stuff? We're never buying a house from these people.
Be the sunshine.
That's not even the worst one. It's like the Happy Father's Day. I got you presents, but if you don't want to get too technical, you technically bought it. By the way, can I borrow? This is so lame. And Father's Day was like over a month ago. It's like my dad forwarded me a dumb email. Oh, no. Crap. Edit that part out. Insert random other person's name.
Oh my gosh, this is cool.
Oh, it's a succulent.
I want to make a succulent garden like this so I can think of Disneyland. How do I get these plants? Do I just take them?
Jesus.
Radio!
What was it?
We need to listen to the
Why?
radio. Because a car just drove by and it slows alternative. It's mine. It's my radio station. That's cool. I'm glad we stopped in Slow.
We stayed in Slow. Now we're exploring Slow County. Slowly. You don't have to stop at every succulent you see. I don't know if you could tell, but that's actually kind of folded. It looks cool. Monterey, what city are we? Oh, Morrow Bay.
Morrow Bay. Oh, look at this.
Do you want a picture?
Cool. I like this town. And I wasn't even gonna stop. But I saw a picture of the rock in between smokestacks. And I said I want to stop here. I didn't even see this cool area.
And we don't have to be in San Francisco till tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what's wrong with this store?
What?
What's wrong with this store?
They use unnecessary quotation.
Well, it's not well, yeah, they use it incorrectly.
Incorrect.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's a good sign, but they ruined it. I wonder if we did a time lapse of Mom walking around the shell shop. How many seconds long do you think it would be?
I don't know.
It'd still be like 2 minutes of footage. And it would seem like it's going in real time because it would just be like... it would be really slow. She tried to wave us in, but we didn't take the bait. But, I mean, she's having fun. And that's what this trip's all about. Correct? Incorrect?
Yeah.
You can't see the top of the rock. So how do you think people get to those boats? Somebody owns that boat. Do they swim out? Or do they get a small boat? How do they get there?
They got a small boat.
Yeah, they do. Although, I had a friend who had a boat that parked out there and he just swam out to it and brought it back.
I have a story.
We hear sea lions, I think. I don't think it's seals. But they're in the distance. And we see a bunch of crabs, but I don't think a lot of them went underwater.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, yeah,
7,
yeah, yeah.
8, 9, 10,
There are some of the
11,
bigger
12,
ones.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
There's a bunch of it.
22.
She wants her picture taken with the octopus. It is a cute playground though. It is interesting how different they look. And they're probably thinking like, why are they taking pictures of squirrels?
I know.
That's what we would
They
think.
don't look like Illinois squirrels, that's for sure.
Yeah, they don't.
They almost look like birds. They have feathers because they're like brown.
They
and
do,
white.
yeah. Well, they're almost like a breed of chipmunk / squirrel. Their skin is, or their skin.
And
Their
their
fur is
tails
very
are short.
silky or shiny.
Demons of the sand.
I bet it's because they can swim. Because they also look a little beaverish. Watching squirrels and birds play with each other.
They're cute. The squirrels are so cute. And they were just fighting. And I like the way they run. They run like so different than our squirrels.
Mhm.
I'm gonna make one run for you.
No. No. What if they saw the same thing? Watch, I'm gonna make her run for you. They just start chasing you.
And then you see the birds, how they like go in the dirt.
Yeah, they.
They like burrow right there. Look
Mhm. Yeah,
at it. They like made holes in the dirt. Isn't that cute?
that's interesting.
They're really far down in the dirt. They're like digging.
There's lobster here, but those looks like lobster traps, don't they? Maybe? Yeah. Maybe deeper there's just bigger crab. I don't see any small crab in here, but maybe it's because we're too in the... It's not a channel, but inlet, whatever they call it. It's pretty. Bunch of seal over there in that little island. Can't really see them. You can hear them though. Hi, buddy. Aren't you scared of me? Hi. How are you? You're a cute little guy. No, he's not. Shannon, this is so cute. Hi, Dad. This is home. I could have pet him, but wow, hi. How you doing? He's singing for us. Where did he go?
He wants to go scream at them. Maybe there's danger.
Or maybe. Maybe he was warning us. Don't keep walking backwards. Be careful.
Please try and remember. Please try and remember.
Holy crap. There's one back there. Inching his way back to the sea. I don't think the video will properly convey how massive they are. Bless you. Well, if we come in November, December, they'll fight because it'll be mating season. I'm gonna take a video with my phone so I can zoom in.
Walking through these darkest forests, trying to find out why this whole world has decided to suddenly forget everything. Maybe it's because the only thing that was keeping us pulsing was very quickly witnessed from our brain. So the results vary, my experiments conclude that this world is nearly ending, and no matter what was true, there's no way to reverse it or to start the world anew. I'm scared to tell you friends, but I think this is the true end. No way to help. This is the end. No matter what was new, this is the end.
Shannon stopped here, but I really don't know what the big deal is about this place. Reminds me a little bit of, I don't know, Arlington Heights, Prospect Heights, something like that. But whatever, gotta make her happy. Yeah. It was like what? Wow, this is not easily visible. Too dangerous. Wait, I have to turn around.
No way to help. This is the end. No matter what was new, this is the end. Please try and remember. Please try and remember. Please try and remember what you can. Please try and remember what you can. I know what you may be thinking. Why
Is the end so near? Well, according to my calculations, I already said, and I still have time to explain. But I'm afraid there's nothing left to explain. We should try to remember before we can't. Always remember to remember before you can't. Please try and remember while you can. Please try and remember while you can. Please try and remember while you can.
I don't know. Careful, bud. Come out a little further, though. It's okay, I guess.
Come over and look at this.
Oops, I did.
One.
We are at Santa Cruz Boardwalk. Oh! We're right next to one of the rides I wanted to go on. That's it. I think. Yeah, this is one of the rides. What does this place feel like to you?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. Make a guess. I was gonna say Indiana Beach. Yeah, man. What's that smell? Like strawberry or something? You're still limping? Do you still have something in your shoe?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we'll fix it. Whoa! What size is that donut? Do you want a donut that size?
No.
No? Alright. Do you want fried artichoke? Oh, that's interesting. They have a buggy hopper instead of a frog hopper. Want a cruise and crepe? Nothing. Do you want a crepe? Doesn't it kind of remind you of the thing at Castle Park? Except it doesn't have a generic Haunted Mansion spiel guy. I don't want to get any tickets till we're here for Mom though. She didn't want to pay the 20 bucks to park, so she's hopefully going to be getting something soon. Hey, Laughing Sally. Those are rare. See, this is what I think of on a boardwalk. Kind of like, what's that place in New Hampshire?
I don't know.
You remember? Yeah. Yeah. Did it start with a B?
I don't know.
Yeah. Do you want to play laser tag? Do you want food?
No.
Do you want restroom?
No.
Really? I don't think we've gone all day. Well, I did, but that was when we went and saw the creek. We should get saltwater taffy here. It's supposed to be really good. Good day at the beach. Oh, hey. I always wondered, again, you haven't seen the movie, but they show this guy, but I always thought it was an actual person sitting in the seat. But it's not, it's a fake thing. I know. I always thought that part was really weird. Because even the song they play at the beginning is The Doors is Strange. Cool! That was worth it just there alone. They're in trouble if Mom sees that. All you can eat popcorn? I definitely want to do, wow, the line's big for Haunted Castle.
I know.
But that's the thing I wanted to see. And we'll see what Big Dipper's like. That'd be fine if that was the only thing we did. I don't know what this is up here. Oh, it's Giant Dipper. We already had one this trip, so we don't have to have it again. They have a Matterhorn. They have a water ride back here. Games galore, food galore. This is a fun place. Cool! I haven't seen one of these in forever. The star. Hold on, I think Mom messaged me. So, let's see where she is. Cave Train Adventure. That has everything we want. It has caves, it has trains, it has adventure. And it has a guy with a moving eyeball. And I want to see what this is over here. And Wipeout. What's Wipeout? See, there's nooks and crannies here. Did you see the cool arcade at the very end of the pier on the other side? Or I mean the boardwalk? Yeah. Bumper cars of the future. The future my ass. Here's another curious ride. I don't know what it is. It sounds like it's an indoor, like a scrambler or a Trabant or something, I bet. I think that one's mine this time.
This is yours.
Okay. Yeah, this one looks better anyway.
Why?
I don't know, because it's mine, and not somebody else's. Even though it's mine, I'll let you have the first bite. Good? Great? Is it good or is it great?
Good.
Not great?
It's great.
Okay. Good? Great? Hey Sherry, you should read this. Hey, it's a Laughing Sally. The original one. Ooh. That's pretty cool. This is such a fun place. I don't care if it's a little ghetto. This is fun. This is a lot of fun, actually. Shannon's getting excited. She ran upstairs because she saw there's a museum. She's a sucker for history. What's that over there? The gun gun. I'm sorry, this place is just cool. I mean, the mini golf itself is pedestrian, but the surroundings is what makes it. Oh, look, it's still doing a circle. That's cool. That's very cool. You said, what if we never come back? Well, now we have to.
What if like too old and he doesn't want to come with us.
That will never happen. I will be too old and never. And
Is that true? I told Dad we're going to come back here for like years and years and years, and you're too old and you don't want to come with us.
Of course. You'd always want to. And we'd always want to take him. This is the real reason I wanted to bring him here. Yeah.
That's weird to see.
07, but it's 1907, not 2007. Yeah.
This taffy is very chewy.
Like very. Oh yeah, that's what taffy's supposed to be like.
I mean, like, I've never had it like this chewy before.
Oh, I think it's because it's fresh. They make it right there. But it's too late in the day, they're done. They're done!
This used to be the ballroom.
What's the beach statue?
Or the beach.
Yeah, I should have figured that one out myself. Well, this one's just a standard arcade, but it's still fun to see so many regular arcade games. And with that sneeze, we're leaving the casino arcade of Santa Cruz Boardwalk. I'm so glad we came here. Oh, what's that?
I got a cool souvenir. Man, this is cool.
Yeah, it is pretty
This
cool.
bag.
Uh-huh. Look, here's the beach, and here's the pier. Looks like there's some crap going on at the pier. Is it good crap? Is it bad crap? We might find out. Is she gonna take a picture of it? Yes or no? Quick.
What?
Is she gonna take a picture of that? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Yeah?
Yeah. You know where it started?
I do not. Well, you don't need to meet to find out when it starts.
Can't believe we saw elephant seals in the wild.
Oh, yeah, that was really cool. And now we're hanging out where Michael became a vampire. Wharf headquarters. I can't wait to see what ancient relics or, you know, historical documents or bobblehead things.
Solar bobblehead.
So,
There's even a Mr. Bean solar bobblehead.
yeah, that's what I expect to buy at the wharf headquarters. Let's see what's on the other side. Is it? It is a broken TV screen. Yeah, that fits.
Oh, a bunch of them.
Yeah, I see 3.
Making me nervous. Watch a whale pop up.
It's not. No, whale doesn't breathe like that.
A human.
A human doesn't breathe like that either, unless they're not ever coming back up. Oh, that's what it was. There's a sea
I don't
lion.
know if it was him.
I don't think it was him.
There's another one swimming in.
Cool. Oh yeah, I see a jellyfish. Aaron, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, jellyfish is right there.
What?
That's a jellyfish right there.
Yep. It's pretty cool. I've never seen a jellyfish in the wild before. You see their eyes are trained on the water. They're looking for movement. They don't see anything though. Slim pickings for dinner tonight for them. Guess they don't like jellyfish.
There's 2 jellyfish right there.
Where? Oh yeah, there's a couple more. Good eye, Tuck.
What did you see?
There's a couple more jellyfish out there.
Oh,
Oh, this guy's pretty high up. This guy. Yeah, I know. Came up for a big breath.
there's another jellyfish over there.
That's why I'd be nervous swimming in open water.
Why?
Not jellyfish.
Only certain kinds are bad for you. The minor wars, those aren't here.
No, but jellyfish can sting you. And it,
Barely.
well,
It's like, are you scared of bees?
very.
Yeah, you always tell Aaron don't be scared of bees. It's the same thing.
Okay, yeah, you know what? That's fair enough. You're right.
Come on, seal. Come on.
You're right.
Big ones over there.
That definitely shouldn't stop me from swimming in open water. Hit it. Come on, seal.
There's one.
There's two.
There's two. Look at their big
Wow.
bubble.
At first I thought there were more jellyfish, but I'm like, they're coming to the surface really fast.
Look at their bubbles. Hi.
Yeah, it seems like they're I don't know what they were doing. Maybe it was a ritual for heading out.
Heading out to hunt. We're gonna get their dinner.
Okay, I think that's the best show we're gonna see. And
Do you like seeing animals more in the wild or in the zoo?
In the wild.
Of course.
So cool.
it's definitely more special
Look at.
in the
He
natural
has a
environment.
crab.
He does have a crab?
The seagull has a crab.
Oh, wow.
We don't want to leave though.
Okay, we don't have to.
Whole crab.
I didn't know. Didn't think I'd ever see. I didn't think I'd ever see
Camera's
that.
upside down, but I can flip it in editing.
Sounds good to me.
No, that's not gonna help. No, that's gonna mess it up actually. So don't do that.
Hello, Mr. Man upstairs. Can you come down here and look at this TV? Remote has run out of juice. The antenna's loose and the dials are missing, so I can't turn it on. No, I can't turn it on. Chromatic Aberration.
you cheated. You saw the inside first. We are in room 163, which is actually upstairs. Isn't this a cute little breakfast area? But anyway, 163 upstairs. And what's the name of this motel? At the Granada. In Santa Clara?
Yeah, in Silicon Valley.
In Silicon Valley.
Look at all the strawberries.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not too happy about those strawberries. Aaron, get in here. Okay, Mommy, get in. Mom, get in here.
Did you say what you bought?
Oh yeah. I just got back from the grocery store, and we went there to get a bit sodas, and then I was looking in the produce section, and I was looking for these fruit roll-ups that I used to get all the time as a kid in the produce section. Did I say produce section? In the produce section. And they stopped carrying them a long time ago, but I figured it was a West Coast thing. Maybe they carry in the West Coast. I looked in the produce section. I didn't see any. We checked out with just the sodas. I was going to leave, and this one guy was checking out one single item.
Right behind you.
Right behind me, yeah. And it wasn't grape, but it was the Jovi fruits. I was like, I think I said, "Sir, where did you find that?" Or I was, but my eyes were like, you know how cats' eyes get really dilated. Yeah. So I ended up buying, I think, 14 of them. But anyway, I'm really excited about that. That was like a really nice surprise. And I said, yeah, today was a good day. But now that today was the best day of the trip, I think maybe, I don't know. We've had a lot of great days. So it's just the Aaron and Dad wrap up, unless Mom wants to get in the picture. So you said it was the best day of the trip. Why do you think?
I didn't say it was the best day.
Okay.
I said it was one of the best days.
Why is it one of the best days?
Because I like it when you just don't plan stuff and you just randomly run across things.
Like roadkill? What do you mean run across things?
Like the squirrels that were really cute would come right up to the camera.
Yeah.
Or the elephant seals. Oh my god, I thought those were... What did you think those were at first when you first saw an elephant seal on the beach?
I don't know. I didn't think they were rocks because you told me that they weren't rocks before I even saw them.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought they were rocks when I first saw them.
What was your favorite thing about today? We did so many different things. I don't want to hear I don't know.
I guess going to the boardwalk.
I was hoping you would say that. Yeah, I really like the Santa Cruz Boardwalk as well. And I think even Mom has to admit she was pleasantly surprised by it.
Yeah, I just wish it wasn't so freaking crowded.
Yeah, that was a shame.
And it closes at 7.
That's a shame as well.
And it's so hard to find parking.
That is, well, if you don't want to pay for parking, it's hard to find parking.
But at least I only paid 50 cents for my spot.
That's true.
Instead of $20.
Right.
And we used that $20 instead to buy ice cream and corn dogs.
Yeah. That works.
This wrap-up video is getting long.
Okay, well, then let's wrap up
only
this.
3 minutes.
Then let's wrap up this video by saying
Wrap-up videos are usually like 2.5 minutes.
the more you complain, the longer this is going to be.
Okay.
So, Aaron,
5 hours
let's
later.
wrap this up by pressing the button. Aaron, press the button.